Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to install running boards on Toyota Tundra Oedro brand. You know, my first product from this company was low beam LED bulbs. 2 years, 3 years later, I'm still happy customer, extremely satisfied. I wish they would continue making the same style fanless, because they're working fine. I have no issues with them, never had any problems. This is what it's made. I'm not sure if camera pick it up, but this is what this product is made. The running boards. Yep. Price is very cheap. Box is ripped, not because the company ripped it, it's because the FedEx guys, they actually dropped it off right by the road, by the curb. Unfortunately, not the first time. One of those days they're gonna get caught for doing stupid stuff like that to people's stuff, you know. It was too lazy to bring it to the door, to the garage. Instead of they just dropped it off by the road. Yeah, and it got damaged, the box. Hopefully nothing's damaged on the inside. So this is what's inside the box. I'll remove the top cover. Looks like there is a, it says Dodge Ram crew cab side step. Well, interesting. Hopefully they got the right one to me. Looks like a lot of plastic brackets, heavy duty. So it's all wrapped in the plastic with their logo, and it's one heavy steel piece. So for the bolts attachment, it's all there. 1, 2, 3 attachments. So first thing I'm going to do is attach the brackets and go from there. The installation of those brackets actually pain in the neck, believe it or not. First of all, they don't fit. 2 fit, the third one, as you can see right there, it's crooked. It has to be crooked, otherwise it will not just, see, this one is straight. Even this one is a little bit crooked too. So definitely is not perfect. Just the quality of this is okay. I guess for the price, I don't know if you can get anything better for the price that I paid. And there is something else I want to mention to you guys. This bracket here. So basically this is how it gets attached, and then you have those plastic things. Well, those plastic things are being attached here. So that's how it would look like. I think it looks dumb with it, especially, and then you have plastic clips, which is right there. Why do I think it's dumb? Well, it's hell, they wasted money. Adds no value. For me, or if they use snow, not for me, or they use salt on the road, this will just trap the salt behind the plastic and it will rot away. Yep. So I'm not gonna bother installing it. I'd rather have clean look the way it is, even though I don't like it because it's the fit of this stuff is definitely 1 star. Instructions is 1 star too. You cannot follow the instructions. Poorly written instruction. The instruction says one thing, but the picture on the instruction shows completely different. So whoever was smart enough to do this is definitely no. And let me show you from underneath too. So this is what it looks like from underneath. And here's the second bracket. There's their third bracket. So aligning everything is extremely difficult. So this is what it looks like. Installed running boards. They look nice. Hopefully they will last a long time before I have to replace them. Let me give you, installation is, don't follow the instructions basically, because the brackets instructions are wrong. And this is what it looks like from the other side. Good thing the bolt, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but look how crooked the bracket is. Yes. And this is with one bolt missing. So actually the missing bolt helps in the installation. So I'm not going to put the second bolt unless I remove the brackets and make the holes bigger, which is I'm not going to do. This one is pretty much straight, but that one is big time crooked. Same thing with this one, pretty much straight, yeah. So we'll see how well they hold up. You know, I'll do another review update 3 months from now, and we'll see how things go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and drop me comments if you have used this brand Oedro in the past, and what's your experience. Like I said earlier, LED experience, bulbs is extremely happy. With this, we'll see. Not happy with installation process, with brackets not being attached. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.